morning, family. Welcome to part 2 of our Hot Springs, Arkansas vlog. Today is day 3. We're gonna get into it. So excited for you to see what we have planned. First up, I think it's the Mid-America Science Museum. Is something Langston really wants to go and do, so we're gonna get to that. Let's go. We've arrived at the Mid-America Science Museum. Yes, Langston, you see a dinosaur?
Yeah, like a book.
Just like the book.
Yeah, I had to read that.
Yeah, he was reading that. He found this in the, when we stopped like at the visitor center, they had it in the book and they had like a little pamphlet for it. So we were definitely going to have to come. So we are here ready to have a good time with our little man. Babe, I guess you just go touch him. That is a triceratops.
I can pat it and touch them.
Go for it, Langston.
Okay. Whoa, he's very big.
Go ahead, stay with him.
Okay.
Look at mama. Ooh, yeah. You heard him?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I see water.
Yeah.
But the dinosaur was taking that.
Is that what the dinosaurs drink?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come on.
Like dinosaurs that there's like this.
Remember that dinosaur movie me and you were gonna watch?
Yeah, like dinosaurs that did that too. And come out.
Look nice out there.
I can make them big.
No, it's a dinosaur fish.
You get fish food.
I want to eat that fish.
Yeah, let's get that fish real food.
Fish need that food. They're very hungry.
Yeah,
They're so very hungry.
Yeah, that dinosaur fish trying to eat them good.
You gonna eat something good. Langston gonna feed him, huh? You gotta come feed him, Lank.
Throw it.
Throw it by him.
Oh! Oh, God!
Yeah.
Oh, he got it.
Good.
Who did it?
That's what that was.
There's turtles eating that food too.
I don't know. I want to throw it in the fish.
Look, that's a big kingfish.
Oh, it is. Yeah, because baby, something was moving under there.
And the fish. Oh, here's the goldfish. Where's the turtle? I think the turtle.
That's a catfish.
Catfish.
Yeah.
The turtle gonna eat it. No.
It's okay if turtle eat it or the catfish eat it. It don't matter. They say they want more.
He was it.
Look at this turtle. Big one.
Ooh, Mr. Turtle over here might want some.
Well, I just got the fish. I got the catfish.
We just did the photo studio, guys, waiting on our little pictures. Oh my goodness. And they're here. So we got a nice little family pic. And then our other little pictures. So yeah, pretty cool. Just screen.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, we made it on down to the dragon exhibit. Langston is really having a ball. Langston and his papa. Mama's just here. We gotta go on some kind of obstacle course or whatever. Then I think we have a movie at 2, so that'll be a nice break from the kid craziness or whatever.
Over there.
Okay. You coming down on this one?
Yeah.
Come on. Jump.
Jump. Oh, I almost fall.
You're not gonna fall.
No. I know I'm not.
This way? How fast can you go? Whoa. I'm hot, y'all.
Hey!
It's humid out here.
Whoa.
But Langston is definitely enjoying his stuff. But, whew, my old lady flashes is kicking. Ooh, do you like swinging in the hammock?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Woo. Swinging, swinging. Langston is swinging.
That is the turtle home by mom.
Very pretty outside.
It's outside. I need to go home. That mom.
What, the turtle got to find its mom?
What he made. He made. I'm gonna do it.
You gotta throw it in that water.
Oh, you gonna eat? No. Oh, it can hit that fish guy.
The fish guy got it. Look, Mr. Turtle coming out. Yeah.
I'll go over there. Oh, I can hear something.
We gonna go see the next one.
See the next one?
Mm-hmm.
I can hear something.
Oh, it's a big one.
There's a big one. I see that. There's a big one over there.
Mm-hmm.
We'll move there over there. That dinosaur.
Big old dinosaur.
Yeah, it bites us.
But look, they got one right here.
Over here.
Yeah.
There's 2 of them.
It is 2 of them. Ooh, guys, we just finished watching our little movie, Tales of a Time Traveler or whatever, about time and the planetarium and space. Yeah, it was kind of cute. It was in a big dome. Felt like everything was just moving over you and around you. So yeah, movies are right. A little bit of playtime left for my boy, and then it's time to go eat some lunch because it's gonna be almost 3 p.m. You feel me? All right, guys, we are wrapping it up. We're headed out of the Mid-America Science Museum. Headed to go get some food. Let's go. The OG, baby. What y'all know about that OG? What's up, y'all? We headed to Olive Garden. If you are too bougie for Olive Garden, I want to let y'all know right now, y'all can't hang with me because, baby, this is that quintessential 90s, 2000s throwback. We love some OG. We want the salad and the breadsticks, unlimited, you feel me? So we in here, y'all, waiting on our berry sangria. We're gonna have some berry sangria. That was our favorite drink back in the day. So yeah, we're gonna have some. Thank you, my dear. I'm having a wine service or whatever. We just started eating, y'all, but that salad and breadsticks, I hit every time. It is chicken scampi. Like, there is chicken somewhere under here, but when I say he could keep turning the cheese, he keep turning the cheese until the gates of Something open, baby. I don't know. We got a gate, baby.
Golden Gate?
Yep, till the Golden Gate's open. I don't know, but I be wanting to order cheese. I'm so full, y'all. I need me a good nap. But this Olive Garden happens to be right next to the hotel, so that's where we're going. Nap time for Mont and Paul. So we're back in the room, guys. We made it. I don't think I ever really showed y'all the room. I didn't feel like it was really, I didn't really need to tour it or whatever. We are at a Holiday Inn and Suites with the 2 queen beds, and then got a sleeper sofa over here. But yeah, mom's about to stretch out and get a little nappy nap or whatever. We might head back down towards Bathhouse Row or something a little later. Possibly take Langston to swim. He did get to swim last night with his daddy while mama was resting on the sofa. So yeah, we shall see, and I'll see y'all soon. Good morning, everyone. So welcome to the final day of the vlog. Today is our travel home day. We are gonna head back down towards Bathhouse Row, do a couple of things here before we head out, and then stop off in Texarkana for lunch. So I don't really remember if I closed out the vlog very well last night, but we definitely ended up chilling because everybody was kind of tired. So yeah, let's get today rolling. Hot Springs, gonna go do a little shopping. So did a little shopping, and we ended up coming back here. If you remember the other day in our last video that we did do a little beer bath, so today we both decided that we would sip on a little Big Dill pickle sour. So yeah, gonna get that. Langston wants a little pretzel, get us a little snack, finish walking around, and then we'll be heading out of Hot Springs.
Alright, you I was gonna take a picture, but okay.
Oh, you can take a picture.
How you
Cheers. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
What is that making?
They are making some drinks, Langston,
Why?
for people to drink them. What's up, guys? We had a good time at Superior Bathhouse Brewery and Grill, and we discovered that you can get some of their brews to go. So they'll bottle it up for you. She said it's good for a week and a half. So yeah, you can get it to go. Not to drink on the road, baby, but to take with you. Yeah. Hot Springs is such a cute little city. It has a very vibrant downtown, and you know, lots of things to do. You can definitely keep yourself occupied and busy. And I always enjoy myself. This is my second time coming here, so I think I will be back. I saw what it looks like here for Christmas, and I think I'm definitely interested in checking that out. To the visitor center, guys. It's this thermal water filling station, so you get some of the actual natural hot spring water here.
So that was that.
Boom, all filled up. Filled me up about 8 good bottles of water, guys. the water. I don't know why I thought, I don't know, they would cool it and then it was gonna come out the thing. I don't know what I was thinking, but apparently it's tapped directly into the hot spring because their water comes out boiling hot. So be prepared to, you know, stand a little bit of heat while if you're just using like some single bottles or whatever. If you're using like a big old jug, I guess you'll be fine. But I mean, if you have to carry that big jug back to your car, you will be holding a boiling hot jug of hot spring water. So yeah, got the water and we are headed out now. We are going to stop when we get to Texarkana and revisit Big Jakes. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you'll know that we went to Big Jakes in Texarkana last year when we were on our 10-day road trip to the Midwest, where we went all the way up to Minneapolis and all that good stuff. Feel free to, you know, click or check the description for the link to watch that playlist. And we did eat at Big Jakes when we were there. So we're gonna rock, we're gonna roll, and I will call y'all back when we get to Big Jakes. Bye.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
We made it back in Big Jakes. We're gonna see if it's still as good as it was the last time we ate it. Becky got some ribs and french fries. Hubs got turkey breast, chicken, brisket, beans, macaroni. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. Got 3 sauces. The tangy is more of a gold sauce, I guess. The sweet and smoky and hot. So yeah, about to get into it.
And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.
So we finished up at Big Jakes BBQ. Food was good per usual. I enjoyed my food. Did you enjoy your food?
Yeah, food was very delicious. Love that turkey.
He loves some grilled turkey. I'm not like a turkey barbecue kind of person or whatever, but that man will eat some turkey. But anyway, we headed back off into Louisiana, and yeah, I'll let you guys know whenever we make it home. We just gonna take a nice easy little ride back over across the state line.
I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
What is up, guys? We made it back to Louisiana. We are home. Definitely hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog and that you enjoyed the trip and hanging out with us for a little bit in Hot Springs, Arkansas. So next up, Langston's first day of school. Lots of other great things coming up as well. So thank you for watching. Hope that you'll continue to hang out with me. As always, it would be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment, subscribe, watch a video, watch till the end. That greatly helps. Tell a friend, be a friend, share a video, you know. And thank you for rocking with me. We made it to 700 subscribers. I saw that today when we were driving back home. So appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I hope that you'll continue to hang out with me for the journey.